Welcome to Lesson 4 of HTML with Coduo. Let's do a little review of everything we've learned so far. Let's start again with a completely blank index.html page. The document is saved with the .html extension, so we know our file or tab is going to be an HTML file. We've also added the opening and closing HTML tags for you. Now we just have to fill the file with all the things needed to let the browser know it's reading an HTML file and add the actual content to display to the users. Again, you need to get comfortable Googling and looking for solutions online. If you're not sure how to start the document, try Googling something like W3 HTML Starter.